This is just going to be a quick tutorial showing how easy it is to fit rack ears onto one of these synths. So let's crack on. I made a video last year showing how I made my own homemade case for the Pro 1, the K2 and a Neutron at the time. I had a lot of comments on this, especially using tools around synths, and it became apparent how scared a lot of people were to use tools anywhere near their gear. So I wanted to make this video just to show how easy it is to fit rack ears to one of these. I've done a few now. I've got quite a large rack growing, and it's great. It just clears up so much desk space, and it's just really worth doing. Firstly, we're going to need a screwdriver, and then obviously a set of rack ears. It's Behringer synth, so I'm using Behringer rack ears 70 HPs on these because they're quite short units. These are pretty good. They actually come with the instructions for these Behringers. Should you need them, in fact for both size synths here as well. With these Behringer semi-modular with the kind of Euro rack cases, in fact these synths here, the Model D is a full Euro rack cabinet. If you remove the front plate, it has Euro rack rails top and bottom with captive nuts. It's actually quite a useful little skiff. But when fitting rack ears to these, they actually, you leave the wood ends on some, you'll remove them completely. Behind the wood on these, there's already a metal plate as well, which kind of leaves an extra layer of protection to the inside of the synth. Although these Model Ds are really solidly well built. Let's just pull the screws out quickly. With these we only have to remove the first two screws because that's where the ears are going to sit. So just make sure we get these the right way up. And facing forwards. And screw these on quickly. So I've made some space in the rack just underneath the patch bait, and it's just a matter of bolting this or screwing this straight into the rack. That's where it's going to sit. And there we have it, all finished. Pretty straightforward really, apart from the fiddly bit with the screws earlier, but that, like I said, that was no real hardship. And well worth doing. It looks awesome there. As ever, feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments and I will answer them. Many thanks.